Think TikTok is just for teens? Think again. If you're over 50 and looking to earn from home, TikTok might just surprise you. Older adults are earning on TikTok in surprising ways. Today, I'll show you 13 real ways older adults are getting paid on TikTok, even if you only have a small following. TikTok isn't just for dancing. It's a new income frontier. From teaching life lessons to reviewing products, TikTok has become a place where experience earns money, not just entertainment. First up is affiliate marketing, one of the easiest ways to get started. Use TikTok's bio link feature to recommend products you already use and love, and earn a small commission each time someone buys using your link. Next up is the TikTok Creator Rewards Program. TikTok now pays eligible users based on video views and engagement. You don't need millions of followers, just helpful content. Coming in at number 3, sharing life tips and stories. People love short, real-life advice. Budgeting tips, retirement lessons, or funny parenting moments all do great. Number 4, TikTok Shop. Sell your own handmade items, digital downloads, or even recommend other people's products directly through your videos. Fifth on the list, promoting your services. Offer services like tutoring, life coaching, or even tax prep. TikTok can be your free marketing machine. Next up, teaching what you know. You can teach simple things, how to quilt, budget, cook, or use tech, and direct followers to your paid course. 7th, brand sponsorships. If you gain trust and engagement, brands will pay you to mention their products in your videos. Coming in at number 8, go live and get gifts. Once you hit 1,000 followers, you can go live, and viewers can send you virtual gifts that convert to real cash. Number 9, use TikTok to grow your YouTube. Post short clips on TikTok to direct people to longer, monetized videos on your YouTube channel. 10th, sell ebooks or guides. If you've written about retirement, saving money, parenting, or even travel, you can turn it into an ebook and sell it via TikTok. Number 11, offer paid Q&As. Use platforms like Clarity.fm or Hey Hero to offer paid advice, and use TikTok to promote your availability. Next, the TikTok Creator Marketplace. TikTok Creator Marketplace connects creators with brands. You don't need to apply. TikTok may invite you as you grow. And finally, number 13, share your hobby journey. Document your journey learning or enjoying a hobby, like painting, gardening, or downsizing. Audiences love authentic journeys. It builds loyal followers and income opportunities. You don't need to be famous or a tech wizard. Just start with what you enjoy, show up regularly, and the income will follow sooner than you think. I added some handy affiliate links in the description to help you hit the ground running. Go ahead and take a peek if you're setting up your TikTok toolkit. If you'd like more step-by-step guidance, just visit the blog post linked in the description below. Subscribe for more retirement-friendly side hustles, and let me know in the comments if you're ready to try one.